It's Friday, May 12th at 9:15 in the morning, and we've had a great morning here at Point Pelee so far. We had to park north of the main parking lot again because of the busyness here, but we walked down to the visitor center and took the train down to the point this morning. Had some nice birds down there. 2 white pelicans came in from the lake and flew by close. We had a dick sissel fly over, and now we're here up on the Woodland Trail just south of the visitor center enjoying a nice walk around. We just photographed a red-headed woodpecker. The weather is beautiful. Wild turkey walking along the trail here. May 12th, 3:22. So we're just heading back to the point on the tramway here. See what's out at the point. We went back to our campsite and changed campsites because we had to move the trailer. Had a lunch there, and now we're back at the park, going back down to the point to see if anything's there. We had a productive morning with white pelicans down at the point, black-poll warblers, prothonotary warblers, several of them, probably 4 or 5 of them along different trails, mainly the woodland trail. Lots of warblers, so a good morning. So it's 5:53 on May 12th, and we're out here still walking the Marsh Boardwalk at Point Pelee National Park. It's a beautiful evening. Just a light cloud cover for a lot of the afternoon to keep that burning sun off, so that's been nice. And now it's got a nice little cool east breeze developing. And we're out here looking at a few interesting species. There's been some black terns, maybe 4 or 5 black terns, which you don't always see here. They're a fairly rare bird now in Ontario. They used to be a fairly common marsh bird nester, but they've become fairly rare in the last few decades due to habitat loss mainly. We've also seen quite a few swamp sparrows and common yellowthroats, which are to be expected in a place like this. This is their prime habitat, and they're quite common birds. Of course, redwings and grackles, tree swallows, barn swallows. And we heard an American bittern pumping, which was nice. First bittern on this little trip of ours here. So a nice evening out here on the Marsh Boardwalk. Meant to add that to this point we've accrued approximately 125 species of birds for the 2 days we've been here. We had an excellent day yesterday at this park as well as Hillman Marsh Conservation Area, where we got quite a few new species. And then today we've added quite a few as well just here at Point Pelee. Here we are at Salsa Caliente in Leamington, having our Mexican meal. Great food. I've got the enchilada dinner here. We've also had the taco chips and salsa, and then some local pop, jarritos, lime and grapefruit. Smile. Smile.